welcome to my channel. Here's an update on House of Zwide. So Usizwe, as he was pointing a gun on Ayanda, wanting to shoot her to get a reaction from Sizi, Avugeke Ula's on the floor and hit Usizwe on the head with something. Awele past Usizwe, and then they all ran out and ran away. Bafike ngaphandle angene ke umsizi phakathi, and then avuke Usizwe phansi, and then they pointed guns at each other. Saying we need to hash this out. This has gone on for too long. Atum says, I'm giving you a chance to run away. Hamba, this is your opportunity. Hamba. Atu Sizwe, I'm not going anywhere. Say qeda lento. And then they pointed guns at each other. But fine, dubula, shoot. And then they decided, you know what? Let's do it the old way. They start fighting. So they put guns on the floor and then they start fighting each other, man to man. They fought and then they started strangling each other until Sizi strangled Sizwe to death. Unfortunately, Sizi's daughter was watching the whole thing and she was shocked. As soon as Sizwe lied on the floor, dead, wangena and hugged his father. So traumatized. Wangena unkosi, I was like, is he dead? What happened? And then wavela wathathu Ayanda went outside with her. And then Puma Umsizi and explained to Faith that actually lapha it was either me or him. I had no choice. And then Ati, let's call the police. Atu Faith, we're not calling the police. His family, you know what's going to happen to him. He's going to go back to prison. So family sticks together. We're going to handle this as a family. Apparently, Unkosi and tells the staff to leave and not go inside the air collective. And then Unkosi takes Ayanda home to her mother, Harriet. And then Faith and Sizi, they clean up, they get rid of the body of Sizwe. Afike ekhaya, Ayanda, her mom was so happy to see her. Kid is still traumatized, Ona is traumatized, they're just shocked at home. And then Sizi goes to burn umzimba ka Sizwe. Faith is like, and then Sizi wanted to wait for the body to see what we are, but Faith was like, we don't have all day, we still have other problems to deal with. Asambe. So I like to get Sizi, and then they leave the body burning. Kanti some guy is going to appear and find the body burning. And then he's just standing there watching the body burning. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.